Alright guys, this is what I have here today. Let's open the box and see what is in there. Stay tuned. Heavy box here. We have a lot of boxes on top of boxes. Box. Look at these. A lot of them. Just to protect what is in here. Very close. Ta-da! Look what we have here, folks. The Schneider Electric Xantrex XW hybrid inverter charger, made by Schneider Electric. Yeah, folks, this is the Xantrex XW6048. Look at this baby. Really cool. Really cool. Right? So this is gonna come up with a lot of videos. I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna do this install and what's going from here and there. You guys can see it's a huge machine. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and share. From the command center, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Okay, this is the full size of the machine right here, and I want you guys to see. And this thing is super heavy. These are the knockout here, you know, and these are the battery terminals. Okay, pretty interesting machine. Unbelievable how you can hang this one on a wall or something that's not gonna bring your wall down. Super, folks, I'm not joking. This is really heavy. See that? That's the earth ground. They required number 6 to number 4 AWG. So it's a huge fan underneath that thing. Here are the controls here. You can see for AC sync and the sandbox, which is like when you have a mate or like the other remote. That's the word. Got a remote control. The sandbox is gonna fix right here. So it's gonna tell you all the aux and all the good stuff there. Man, folks, this thing is super heavy. Let's take a peek inside. You will see some of the bus bars in there. It's crazy. Yeah, we got a lot to do with this guy right here at JW Solar USA. Folks, this is the machine. This is the 6048. Check this out. Subscribe, like, and share. Give me your thoughts, and so that we can start the project for the summer. Love you guys all. Subscribe, like, and share, and thumbs up. Bye for now. Alright, folks, just to give you a close look here, you will see the specs. You can read for yourself. Like I said, I just got this machine. I'm trying to it's too heavy. That just discouraged me from from doing the unboxing here. So right here you guys can see. Okay, is a 6048. Okay, and you can see live from here, factory configuration, and right there. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.